How to edit video length on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Find and open the video you want to edit from here. Then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon as shown. Go to the video section at the bottom. You can now edit the length of the video from here. Drag to make it longer or shorter. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily edit video length on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.